We bought the BYD 10 years ago, and Charlie called me up and said, "Buy this." That is totally Charlie's position, and it's been fine. And he keeps in touch with the management and all that. That is not something that.
Yeah. Welcome to the podcast, The Future Imagine. I'm your host, Jefferson. Welcome. Make sure you check in. We got a syllabus below in the description. Make sure you can access that. All the material you need. It's videos for educational purposes only. All right. Welcome to the podcast, man. It's Tuesday night, 2022. No better time than being alive right now. I really mean that. You're probably like, why is he so excited? Why is he so cranked? Why is he tweaking on a Tuesday night? You know what I mean? We're going to get into that. Make sure you access all the course material below in the syllabus. Make sure you access that hurry up and buy list. Okay? Join the ethos. Join the ecosystem. We cultivating over here. We watering the seeds. All right? You got to plant. We plant seeds around here. All right? This is a network. On the podcast, on this particular volume, in this series of Future Imagine, we're going to cover a lot of topics, specifically finance, specifically digital assets, or other known as crypto. We're going to educate each other on these protocols, other known as software, no different than Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Excel, other applications that allow you to interact, to engage, to connect. So, I'm going to educate you on the future tools, on the tools of the future, similar to PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, similar to Microsoft Excel, similar to Adobe Flash Player. But in the Future Imagine, we're going to discuss tools and protocols like Ethereum, like Solana, like traditional protocols that you guys may be familiar with, such as Bitcoin. We're going to dive deep. We're going to immerse ourselves. We're going to keep it simple, though. We're going to discuss layer 2 solutions for some of these protocols, these traditional protocols like Bitcoin. And what I mean by layer 2 solutions, another software, another tool of the future, Polygon, Polymatic. Join me. Polymatic. What are Mark Cuban's favorite protocol or favorite software or favorite tool of the future? These are all essential components that are building and architecting Web 3.0, or other known as the metaverse. We're gonna cover all that. I'm gonna simplify it for you. There's gonna be a vocabulary sheet that you can access in the description below. Free. There's going to be educational literature that you can access in the description below for free. You see, this is about interconnectivity.
This is explaining to people how smart I am.
This is about
Blockchain with
the network.
MJP Morgan's one.
Each of us have a responsibility
And it'll be worth $1 when it's matched
to do what?
It's
To inform,
sympathetic.
to educate, to share, to discuss, to analyze, and more importantly, to come up with innovative solutions that solve problems. That's what these protocols and these tools are the future.
It's an industry
That as we speak now,
usage or otherwise.
are designing and architecting
I couldn't figure out
the digital highways,
cigarette. You were talking to a guy that doesn't pick up
the digital landscape.
What do you think about college athletes and whether they should be paid? And I ask you this.
Some of the software that we're going to use to interact with one another in Web 3.0, other known as the metaverse, meta travel, meta shop. When you put on your hardware, your Oculus hardware, you sit in the convenience of your home, you access your email. Maybe you want to connect with friends, family members.
cashing in on commercial value, but for some period it doesn't.
Maybe you want to travel to a remote place globally.
Harvard may have a resurgence of
Things are infinite, limitless. The hardware,
Do you see any irrational human behavior by investors?
the software.
Americans right now. You're kind of, you and Charlie.
We are the future.
The police of corporate America. What do you see that you don't like right now?
Make sure to follow, like, and share.
that are designed to take advantage of other people.
Love to connect with you all.
There's always been people that,
Look out for the next video in this series called A Future Imagine, where we'll discuss more intuitively and more in detail how we can not only immerse ourselves, not only engage, not only insert, but how we can thrive.
But that's going to happen, and that's why we've got an SEC and marketing courts, but it'll always continue.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
There are a bunch of new
Make sure you access the course materials in the description below.
to market this year. I think back to what you thought about the tech IPO.
And like always, peace, love, and blessings.